In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a digital vision board. Vision boards are powerful tools that help you visualize and achieve your goals, all from the comfort of your digital workspace. So, let's dive right in and make this exciting and personal project part of your everyday digital life. The first thing you'll want to do is head to your Notion workspace. If you're new to Notion, it's an amazing platform where you can organize your projects, documents, and even your visions. Once you're there, locate the Login button at the top right corner of your screen. Enter your credentials and go ahead and log in. If you haven't signed up yet, creating an account is easy and will take you just a minute. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Notion homepage. This is your main hub, where all your projects and notes reside. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout. It's designed to keep you organized and focused, and the more comfortable you are with it, the smoother your workflow will be. Now, it's time to access the incredible templates available in Notion. Over on the left-hand side of your screen, click on the Templates option. This will open up a world of pre-made layouts that you can use to jumpstart your projects. From productivity to personal endeavors, there are so many options to choose from. For our purposes today, we'll focus on finding a vision board template. In the template search bar, type in Vision Board. You should see a few options pop up. Take your time to look through these and see which one aligns best with your vision and style. Once you've found one you like, click to select it, and it's time to add it to your workspace. By clicking Add, the template will automatically load into your workspace. This is where the fun truly begins. Customizing the template to reflect your personal goals and aspirations. It's all about making it your own. With the template now in your workspace, you can edit it. Change the images, tweak the text, and rearrange elements to fit your dream vision. Whether you're focusing on personal growth, career ambitions, or leisure goals, tailor it in a way that resonates deeply with you. Use images and words that not only inspire you, but also motivate you to take actionable steps towards your goals. And just like that, you've constructed your digital vision board. It's there as a consistent reminder of what you're aiming for and is easily adjustable as your aspirations evolve. Remember to revisit it regularly and update it as you make progress towards your dreams. I hope you found this guide helpful and are excited to start visualizing your future. Enjoy the journey.